Maya's magical adventure with little Leo. Once upon a time, in a cozy village surrounded by emerald green meadows and rolling hills, there lived a spirited girl named Maya. Maya had a heart full of kindness, a love for animals, and a magical connection with the world around her. She shared her days with her family on a small farm, surrounded by a delightful menagerie of creatures that had come to love and trust her. Maya's family was a lively bunch. Her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Williams, were hard-working farmers, tending to the fields and taking care of the animals alongside their children. Maya's little brother Leo was a bundle of energy and curiosity. At the tender age of 5, he had a twinkle in his eyes that hinted at the wonders he saw in the world. One sunny morning, as golden rays of sunlight painted the village, Maya woke up to find her little brother Leo already wide awake and bouncing with excitement. "Maya, Maya, let's go on an adventure today," Leo exclaimed, his eyes gleaming with anticipation. Maya smiled at her enthusiastic brother. "Sure, Leo. What kind of adventure do you have in mind?" Leo's face lit up with joy. "Let's explore the enchanted forest at the edge of the village. I heard from the older kids that it's filled with magical creatures and hidden treasures." Maya chuckled at Leo's imagination. "That sounds like a wonderful idea, but we need to be careful and stick together, all right?" Leo nodded eagerly, and the two siblings set off on their magical adventure, hand in hand. As they entered the enchanted forest, the air seemed to change, becoming filled with the whispers of ancient trees and the rustle of unseen creatures. Maya and Leo walked along a winding path, surrounded by towering trees with leaves that sparkled like emeralds. The siblings soon stumbled upon a clearing where a sparkling stream ran through, and colorful butterflies danced in the sunlight. Maya's magical connection with animals seemed to resonate with the enchanted beings of the forest, and the butterflies swirled around them, creating a living kaleidoscope of colors. "Wow, Maya, this place is amazing," Leo exclaimed, his eyes wide with wonder. As they continued their journey, they encountered a wise old owl perched on a branch. The owl hooted a friendly greeting, and Maya and Leo couldn't help but feel a sense of guidance as they ventured deeper into the forest. Their path led them to a charming grove where fairies flitted about, their tiny wings sparkling in the dappled sunlight. Maya and Leo were mesmerized by the magical sight, and the fairies, sensing the pure hearts of the siblings, gifted them with small, glowing crystals. "These crystals will protect you on your journey and bring you good fortune," whispered the lead fairy. Grateful for the magical gifts, Maya and Leo continued their adventure with renewed excitement. They encountered mischievous sprites playing hide and seek among the flowers and gentle unicorns grazing in a meadow. As they explored, Maya noticed a peculiar-looking tree with golden apples hanging from its branches. Leo's eyes widened with curiosity. "Maya, can we try one?" he asked, pointing at the tempting apples. Maya hesitated, but then noticed a friendly squirrel nibbling on one. "I think it's safe," she said, plucking 2 apples from the tree. The siblings took a bite, and instantly, a warm feeling of happiness enveloped them. The golden apples were indeed magical, filling their hearts with joy and laughter. Their adventure continued as they came across a talking rabbit who shared tales of the enchanted forest's history. The rabbit told them about the ancient guardian, a gentle giant who protected the forest and its inhabitants. Eager to meet this guardian, Maya and Leo followed the rabbit to the heart of the enchanted forest, where they discovered a majestic tree with roots that seemed to stretch deep into the earth. As they approached, the ground trembled, and the guardian revealed itself a magnificent, wise creature with gentle eyes. "Welcome, Maya and Leo," boomed the guardian's voice. "You have entered my realm with pure hearts. How may I assist you on your magical journey?" Maya and Leo explained their quest for adventure and the joyous discoveries they had made in the enchanted forest. The guardian smiled warmly and shared tales of the forest's wonders, encouraging the siblings to cherish the magic within their hearts. As Maya and Leo bid farewell to the guardian and the enchanted beings of the forest, they carried the wisdom, joy, and magical memories with them. The journey back to the village felt like a dream, with the enchantment of the forest lingering in their hearts. When they returned home, Maya and Leo shared their incredible adventure with their family. The magical crystals from the fairies and the golden apples became cherished mementos, reminders of the enchanting day they had spent together. From that day forward, Maya and Leo continued to explore the wonders of the world with open hearts and curious minds. The enchanted forest became a treasured memory, a place filled with magic, laughter, and the everlasting bond between a kind-hearted sister and her spirited little brother. And so, in the heart of the village, the Williams family lived a life touched by magic, with Maya and Leo's adventures inspiring the imaginations of children and adults alike. The enchanted forest remained a symbol of the joy that comes from exploring the world with wonder, and the enduring magic found in the bonds of family and the kindness that beats in every heart.